So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Alok Industries. So mainly we'll focus on the technicals of the company and we'll try to find out the next possible levels. So since many days, this particular stock has remained in a consolidation phase and it was respecting the levels as we discussed in our previous videos. So we'll discuss everything. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So if you see the Alok Industries current market price, it is near 33.45 and it was down almost 0.74%. So when we go back a few months back, we know that Alok Industries either it used to trade in upper circuits or lower circuits. But nowadays, since many days we are seeing the stock, it has been trading normally without any upper circuit as well as lower circuit, which is also a very good indication that the stock has become a little bit, we can say that technically neutral, and definitely in the coming sessions also movement will be coming. If you see the stock, since many days it has remained in a particular range, okay, and it has been respecting the levels without any further downfall. And also there are updates regarding this particular stock that it will be included in Nifty 500 stocks, which is also a very positive move for the company. And also we know that the quarter results, that is the quarter one results for the company will be declared, and which will also be turning out to be positive, and that also will accelerate the momentum of the stock. So people who have not added this particular stock, then definitely they should add, because the stock is respecting the level. So that is one good indication. So when we see the volume analysis of Alok Industries, so clearly you can see on 28th August 59.4% percentage deliveries was seen, and you can see how the traded quantity is reducing. So this type of analysis even you should employ, especially when you're investing in any penny stock or mid cap stock, anything, because if you analyze in that sort of way, then definitely you will be entering at the right time and you will be taking the good amount of profit. So you can see percentage wise deliveries percentage is also increasing. That is also another confirmation that the stock again in the consolidation phase is respecting, and definitely in further sessions movement will be coming. So that is the main idea to analyze these things. Okay, and if you see the traded quantity, whenever traded quantity reduces, we say that the operator activity is reducing and percentage delivery is increasing, which implies that in next session stock will move up. Okay, so when we see the momentum of the stock, so we can see the momentum is technically neutral, because we did not see any major downfall or major upward move. I think even the upper circuit of the stock will be changed. So that is also one of the reasons the stock is remained in a consolidation phase. And when you can see the RSI and money flow index, almost they're approaching the oversold region. So we know that 30 below is known as oversold region and 70 above is known as overbought region. So whenever any stock goes to oversold region, we say that reversal will happen, and anytime when it goes to overbought, we know pullback will happen. So you need to remember these things. So you can see RSI is near 44 and money flow index is near 46.2, so almost approaching the oversold region. So you need to be very cautious. So if you're holding this particular stock in the lower levels, as we discussed, near 26-25 rupees level, then definitely you should hold and you should not do any sort of selling, as we discussed earlier. So if we see about the moving averages, so what we can find here, so that is we can see that Alok Industries is almost trading above all its moving averages except the 30 SMA, which is around 34.2, so which is also acting as a resistance for the particular company. So rest of all, it has been obeying everything very well. Only the immediate next resistance for it is around 34.2. So don't panic, everything will be fine. So we'll move on to technical charts, where we'll try to find out the levels of this particular company. So you're back onto the technical chart. So this is the 1-day chart. So clearly in the 1-day chart, you can see the stock was facing the resistance near the, this is nothing but the 20 EMA. So red color line is the 20 EMA and the green color one is the 50 EMA. So it was respecting the 50 EMA, even though it has not respected the 20 EMA. It has taken a very good support near the 33 rupees level. And if you see previously, when it has broke down from the pivot point, that is around 39.58, we have seen the stock correcting almost to this particular level, that is 33. And if you see interesting thing, same thing, that is the money flow index is also approaching oversold region, which is also a positive indication that in the coming sessions in September we may see a very good move in the stock. So you need to be very attentive, and if you want to add, then definitely you can add at 33 as well as 30 rupees level if you get a chance. Okay. So when we see in 1 week charts, on 1 week chart also is the same thing. So when we discussed in our previous videos, we discussed about this particular support, that is 27.91. So I insisted particularly that you need to add at this particular levels, and that was the region where the stock has shown the retracement. So currently we can see 33 as well as 30 are very good supports for the stock, and if further any correction happens by luckily, then definitely you should add in small quantities, or if you're already having, then you can average at that particular level. So immediate targets would be 35-40 rupees. Within next month those targets should be achieved if everything goes well. So even quarter results will be turning out positive, because since the company has Reliance backup, everything was going very good for the company. So that's why even the results might turn to be positive, and the stock also should move in positive direction in the coming sessions. So definitely focus. So next targets would be 35 as well as 40, and if you're holding, then definitely you should hold. So this is all about Alok Industries. So next videos we'll discuss about another stock. So until then, take care. Bye bye.